Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nubia Red Magic 7. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Start search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Set up for your data sharing preferences. I'm gonna click that off and then confirm. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as the default browser or skip it by pressing on Not Now. I'm gonna do it, so let's choose the Edge and then set as the default. Now we can open any website and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.